Hello everyone. Welcome to Professional Training Academy. The role of a business analyst in an agile environment. Where is the BA role in agile development? It is the BA who must become the value manager and ensure the value of each delivered sprint is realized. Scrum framework. The above diagram shows the visual representation of a Scrum cycle. What is a product backlog? The product backlog is a prioritized feature list of user stories. It is a list containing short descriptions of all functionality desired in the product. What is a sprint backlog? The sprint backlog is a list of user stories to be completed during the current iteration. Sprint. The Scrum cycle. Product backlog. All features and work on the product. Sprint backlog agreed work for the time-boxed sprint. Sprint 2 4-week time box. 15-minute daily Scrum. Working increment of software. Scrum roles. Who does what and why? Product owner. The person responsible for deciding which features the product should include. The product owner represents the voice of the customer. Part of the product owner responsibilities is to have a vision of what to build and convey that vision to the Scrum team. The Agile product owner does this through the product backlog, which is a prioritized features list for the product. Motivates the team with clear goals. Commitment to not throw new requirements at the team during the sprint. Understands the market, the customer and the business in order to make sound decisions. Ensures requirement changes are done outside the sprint. Works closely with key stakeholders. Scrum Master. A servant leader, coaches the team in Agile, protects them from disruptions, removes obstacles, and radiates information about their work out to the larger organization. The Scrum Master is responsible for making sure a Scrum team follows the values and practices of Scrum. The Scrum Master is often considered a coach for the team, helping the team do the best work it possibly can. Does anything possible to help the team perform. Removes impediments. Facilitates meetings. Works with the product owner. Protects the team from outside influence. Has no authority. Scrum Team. A typical Scrum team is 5 to 9 people. A Scrum team does not include traditional roles such as programmer, designer, tester or architect. Everyone on the team works together to complete the user stories that they have committed to complete within a sprint. Self-organizing. Collaborative. Shares the same standards and rules accountable for the delivery. Skills within team are balanced. Works full-time in the team. Role of a business analyst in Scrum. Avoid proxy role. Work within the sprint. Tools for BAs. Daily stand-up meeting. Meetings are held in the same location and at the same time each day, ideally in the morning. Meetings are strictly time-boxed to 15 minutes. All team members are required to attend the meeting and answer the following. What did you do yesterday? What will you do today? Are there any impediments in your way? The meeting is not used as a problem-solving or issue resolution meeting. These items are taken offline. The Scrum Master is responsible for removing impediments as quickly as possible. Daily stand-up meeting should be face-to-face. If face-to-face is not possible, then video should be used. Body language. Facial expressions. The Agile Board. The Agile Board is a physical representation of the user stories that the team has committed to complete within the sprint. Typically 3 columns. To do, in progress, done. The board should be physical, located within the team room. No one should sit with their back to the board. Update during the daily stand-up meeting. Wireframes. A visual guide that represents the skeletal framework of a user interface. Wireframes conceptualize an idea and communicate the ideas to a group. Team member can review wireframes for design ideas. Wireframes reduce the amount of time needed by extensive requirements or prototype development. Where the Agile BA can add value. Higher productivity. The Agile methodology emphasizes delivery of usable features at the end of every short development cycle. Higher quality. A key principle of Agile is to test early and often, which results in a higher quality product being delivered to the customer. Higher customer satisfaction. Customers are involved throughout the process and can give feedback early and often. This will result in a better product.